I hear it in the night, like a promise in the air. The saints are lifting eyes to the hope we all share. The Lamb who was slain still wears the crown of glory, and every wounded heart will know the end of the story. He said, behold, I come, so we stand and wait. The tears will